a very proud candle maker. Oh, can I do brand mom? Oh, can I do this? Can I add this? Oh, can you help me with this?
नहीं करती है तो जरूर करें.
Of course, I call myself a brand mom.
I'll take it from you because हम mirror में भी आए.
I quit my job only this year. Hi, I'm Khushbu Lalwani and I'm a candle maker and the founder of Mudita Candles. So we started Mudita Candles in 2020 when we were hit by COVID during the lockdown. It was a side hustle back then. I was doing a corporate IT job, which I have been doing since last 14 years. And when I got some time amidst all the lockdown and the COVID chaos, I started Mudita Candles as just a creative outlet for myself. But by God's grace, it did so well. It was not expected. I did not expect my candles are going to go all over India, but it did, and we continued, and I'm so glad we did. What I would really like for Mudita is for it to have its own quaint little store somewhere in the bylines, in Bandra or Colaba or maybe anywhere. Just a nice, cute little boho store where I can just interact with all the customers. They can come take a whiff. They can get a first-hand experience of how my candles look and smell and then buy it from me. If I feel something is igniting that curiosity in me, I'll try it out, or otherwise I create samples for clients who are going to resell the candles or who want them for a specific event, and that is how we experiment with different candles. That's my mom. Her name is Reena, and she is the backbone of Mudita. Mudita couldn't have happened without her. I quit my job only this year. So first 4 years I did it along with my job, and once Mudita had shown the capability and the potential that it can grow well and I wanted to scale it up, that is when I decided I want to quit only this year, and that was actually not in the plan. 4 months were only that trial and errors because we were not getting the desired result, and then we did not want to sell candles which are not performing well. Mudita was a side hustle through the first 4 years of Mudita journey, and while I used to strive back at my corporate job, she used to make sure the candles are getting made in time, the packages are going out in time, and the testing is happening, everything. So she really handled everything when I was not here. We wanted to sell candles which bring joy. So Mudita itself means that. A lot of people call me Mudita. I've stopped correcting them now. It's okay, call me Mudita. Well, also my name resonates a lot with my brand. But Mudita, coming back to the word Mudita, why I chose it is it's a Sanskrit word which means joy. It means the purest form of joy, the joy that you feel when you see others enjoy. And that is what I felt when I worked on candles. So that is how the name came into picture. People were very happy because they were making something that they are going to use this Diwali. And they could also really be creative with it because in our workshops we let them embellish the candle, so that is where their creativity comes in. They're using shells, they're using pearls, they're using beads, they're using some kind of glitter, they're using stones. So they are like, oh, can I do this, can I add this, oh, can you help me with this? So it's really fun, to see them create something and be happy about it. My first piece of advice would be, please do a lot of research and testing before you start selling your candles. Be extremely sure about the quality of candles you're giving your customers. Be sure about how to fix the issues which you are encountering with your candles. Invest a lot of time in research and testing, and then only go ahead and sell them. And I see there is a lot of curiosity in people to know about these candles, and that is how I come up with these ideas, apart from the ones which I really feel they look really aesthetic and nice and I want to do. Maybe I will come across another candle maker who is doing that, and just like that some idea will strike up. We did collaboration with Van Heusen, like basically Aditya Birla Group, and we did embellish your own candle in their Van Heusen store in the Oberoi Mall. And we also collaborated with Google, and I went for a candle making workshop with mom and my team. There it was a workshop for 20 people, like for one team. And it was a lot of fun because this was my first corporate candle making workshop. I have my eyes on Fab India. they do not have jar candles right now, and I would really like to collaborate with them and provide them our superb quality candles.
इस साल जॉब क्विट करा, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था जब मैंने फाइनली डिसाइड कर लिया कि इंस्टेड ऑफ जो हमने प्लान करा था मैं अभी क्विट करूं?
अगर वो खुश है और वो पूरा 100% मुदिता को देती है, और ये भी, मैं भी, और जो मेरे पास लड़कियां हैं ना वो भी, प्रणाली और योगिता भी बहुत अच्छे हैं। मतलब एक एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखा जाता है, विथ लव के साथ उसको पोर किया जाता है। मतलब सब खुश हैं यहाँ जॉब अपना अपना काम करने में। जैसे ये अपना करती है ऑनलाइन, मेरा है पैकेजिंग का, या विक कौन सी जाएगी ये डिसाइड करना है, फूल बन रहा है कि नहीं, टेस्ट वाला, और उनका है कैंडल बनाने का। तो सब अपने अपने में ना खुश हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर उसकी विश है तो जाना चाहिए मुदिता में। जी।
In the Indian market where there are a lot of candle makers right now, be authentic and be consistent. That's it. Wow, this turned out so pretty, and then you know it's all good.
Like, share, and subscribe.